My name is Advay Agarwal and today we'll see an egg sinks or float. Then we'll try whether we will do it reverse. Whether we can try that. Okay, so the ingredients are a glass filled with water that I've already done, an egg and some salt. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, fill your glass with some water that I have already done. Now drop your egg in it. What do you think, it will sink or float? Your guess is sink, right? Let's see. It sinks because it's heavier than water. This is density because egg, it has got no air inside it, and then it sinks because it's heavier than water. Okay, so now we will pull the egg out. Now we will pull the egg out of the glass, and now we will add some salt. This is gonna take until it's completely dissolved. This is going to take a little bit time, so we'll continue it later. Bye. So I have added the salt to the water. Now I'm going to drop my egg and see whether it sinks or floats. If it does not float, then I think we need to add a little bit more salt. Let's see. It sinks. That means we need to add some more salt. Okay, so I'll again continue it later. Now let us add something, and I'll see you in when the salt is completely dissolved. Bye. Okay, so we have added more salt. Now I'm going to drop my egg. Now it's again sinking, but as you can see, it's planning to float again. So we'll continue it later to add some more salt. First, let me put the egg out. And now and I'll continue it later. Bye. Okay, so we have added some more salt. Now I'm going to drop my egg. Again, it is sinking. I think we need to add more salt. And I think it's going to be a little heavier than water, and I think it's planning to float. So I'll continue it later. Bye. Now we have added some more salt, and let's see it will sink or float. It floats because we added more and more and more salt into the glass that makes the water density grow higher. That's why the eggs become lighter. Now let's see to add some more water, and let's see it will sink or float. Okay, so I need an adult to help this. Okay, so we have added some more water into the glass. Now I'm going to tap the egg, and you can see it just bounced on the bottom and slowly came up. And if I do it with my air, it will come like this only. See how slowly it becomes? And now I'm going to add some more water without an adult's help. As you can see, it sinks because when we add more water, the density of water becomes lower and the egg sinks. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and share and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. If you like and share, my video becomes more popular. Bye.